Hi everyone! This video will show you how to use the profile analysis feature. Select the point cloud file to be analyzed. Click Profile Analysis on the Start tab, and the vertical view is selected by default. Left-click to draw a section between 2 points of the point cloud, and right-click to finish and pop up the profile view. Select the measurement icon in the upper right corner, shown by default, to measure the required distance. Height: 17.237 meters. Width: 12.397 meters. Select the parallel view to cut the length and width of the section. Adjust the offset direction to either the Z or Y axis. You can also set the offset distance. Positive values indicate an upward offset. Negative values indicate a downward offset. The width means the thickness of the section. After all the settings are done, click OK to update the section display. Select Point Color to display the rendering color of the point cloud. You can measure multiple times with the measurement toolbar. If you don't need a data point, click to turn it red. Then, press the Delete key on the keyboard to delete it. After changing the rendering color under the Display toolbar, the point cloud color will also change in the profile view. Scroll the mouse to zoom in and out of the profile view. You can also measure the thickness of the point cloud. This is our introduction to the profile analysis feature. See you next time.